Oh, got something here. What is it? Little red? Hey, you must be hungry, boy. Cause oh, not hungry enough. Boom. Oh, nice. Right here by the boat. What is it? Another little red. Yeah, another red. Bigger. There you go. Thank you, God. What do we got here? Like a 18-incher. Boom. Oh, right here with the boat again. Another little red. Got a little more juice to it. Same lure. Boom. One. Boom. Oh, nice. Oh, nice, 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 nice. It's got potential, it's got potential. It's got potential. Come over here, Bubba. Come over here. You're supposed to be lethargic. That's the word of the day. Oh. Get out of there. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Oh, thank you, God. Woo. Look at that. He swallowed it all. Slowly coming in. Ooh, baby. It didn't look like a 24-incher. Ooh, nice. Nice, nice. Thank you, God. Beautiful morning. Chilly, cold, water clear. Not a lot of grass. Puro sana sana. Micah, it's been like an hour. He's still looking for something. See what happens. First cast. 5 feet cast. Second cast. First 3 casts, naranjas. Boom. Ahí está. Ooh. Looks like a little red.
Gold never fails. Little baby.
Ahí,
Oh, might be a keeper.
Para 17. Ahí está.
Bien.
Oh.
Ese sí es bueno.
You want a power pole? Yeah.
I got the net, man.
small, but
¿También está chiquillo o qué?
might be the on it. Might be on it.
Ese sí se ve bueno. Oh, no, that's a keeper.
You're powerful, right?
Yes, sir. Boom.
Boom.
Salió el keeper.
Modern mullet con versus what do you call that? Gulpy. Y a lo mejor la hace.
No, sí la hace. La hace porque la hace. How many months is off season?
November 1st until next week. Oh, like that. Might be. Hasn't taken off or anything. Ahí viene. Oh, está bueno este. It's another small one. I mean, another keeper small. Ahí está, Mikey.
Oh, yes, sir.
White Walker.
Oh, bárbaro.
Boom.
¿Qué te dije que aquí están? Te dije aquí están.
Hola.
Boom, baby. Yes, sir. Awesome.
Oh. 22 incher.
Woo.
22 incher, folks. Boom. Yeah, it feels like it. Might be
Got him?
might be on the money. Yeah, I got it. Y ya se atoró, Mike. Ya se zafó. My bad. I almost lost a red. Small. Unless it's a trout. Looks like a trout, Mike. Oh, it's a nice trout, Mike. It's a nice trout, Mike.
Oh, yes.
Number it's too big, but yeah. No, it's really hooked. Number's over 20. Whoo, it's a fat one. Look at the hook set up right in the.
Right in there, perfect.
Oh.
23.
22 and a half.
22 and a half, yeah.
Big fat one, bro. Nice. Bye-bye. Oh, beautiful. Thank you, God. Whew. How does it feel, Mike? How does it feel?
It's a baby.
It's a bit.
Yeah, no, it's a baby. It's a baby red. Man,
Oh, nice, Mike.
another baby. I see it. I see it. Baby something. Baby red.
Yep.
Huh?
Yeah. Ay, pues, I didn't even get to I was really gonna do the first retrieve. Oh, nice trout. This might be our first keeper. Fish. Probably like a 16 incher maybe. 15 and a 3/4. a hit. Oh. Oh, right here by the boat. Close to the boat. Followed it like 3 times. Hit it about 3 times. It's gotta be like a 16. Boom. Thank you, God. Boom. Oh yeah, 16 and a half. Red. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. That's a keeper. Thank you, God. Woo. Dirty money. Must be the money. Oh, this is a good one. This is a 18 incher.